Okay, so I'll be talking something about time management. So I'll not be talking about what is time management because you all know about it. I'll be talking why time management. The answer is simple. You cannot do time travel, right? Can you? I don't think so. You cannot go back in time and change what's been done, and you cannot go further in time and schedule or manipulate things according to your way because all you have is now. So manage your time. And now, how can you do it? I won't suggest you to ask anyone else to how to manage your time. The answer lies within you. The only thing that you can do is be fair and prioritize things according to you, according to what needs more attention and according to what needs less attention. So, and avoid procrastinating. That is the most important thing. Don't procrastinate things, don't postpone your schedules. That is the most important factor. So here was a quick note about time management. Thank you.